On paper, data-driven property management is easy. We simply collect and analyze data and act accordingly. In reality, the data of a property is collected in various formats from different service providers and systems. The bigger the property portfolio, the more diverse the data. It's better to leave the collecting and refining of data to an analytics engine. The entire data, meaning maintenance logs, alarms, tickets, building automation, as well as energy and indoor condition measurements, are integrated into a single system. When all the data is in one system, experts can focus on finding insights. For example, an energy expert can view changes in base loads and a building automation analysis from all properties in seconds. In this case, the analysis reveals a conflict. Some of the premises are simultaneously being heated and cooled. Property users might not experience the conflict, but it increases costs. The conflict can only be discovered by analyzing data from multiple sources. Once her analysis is ready, the expert hands over an action plan to the property manager. The manager decides on actions to take and instructs them to remote center or local maintenance. As a result, the base loads and energy consumption are optimized. In this case, by remotely releasing a jammed heating valve. Predictive maintenance helps prevent such issues from recurring. Our professional service guarantees energy efficiency and pleasant conditions for occupants. You can validate the successful end results yourself from our customer portal.